We are pleased to show you the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.